Half CB. Here he is. Plum God. Chuck B. Little scrap work. No bueno on the crackheads. They come in. Now here's what else they did. They went for the quick hit. Relief valve ripped out. Relief pipe drop stick ripped out. Relief valve ripped out. Copper drop for the relief valve ripped out. But they left all this beautiful copper here. Thank God, because if not, we'd be here for months. Well, maybe not with my progress. Anyway, that's what we're here doing today. Little copper. What's that? 50 3/4. Awesome. Right now I got to rip out this female adapter because I can't get a clean pro press coupling on it. Again, I'm not. Oh, look at that, it's loose. Chuck B must have been in here working. Little pipe dope on here on this thread. I should Teflon it up too, but I'm going to go with the power. Power of the pipe wrench. This is the line the crackhead ripped out. I don't know why he didn't rip out the cold. I guess it was too hard, or somebody must have showed up and said, "Hey, crackhead, no more stealing copper." Alright, we're going to put the 3/4 female pro press adapter on there. I want you to tighten that on. Whatever you feel is better, easier for you. Yo, what's up? Some baseboard heat here too. And I fixed that. Hopefully that's it. We'll get the water on. This way the gas company will turn the gas on tomorrow. This way we can get some heat on in here.
How come they gotta have the water on Chuck first, you know?
Because they don't want to fire the gas up without no water in the system. That's a liability on them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to be here tomorrow either, so if I was here, I could say, yo, gas company, turn it on. I'm the yeah, whatever.
Exactly.
I'm not going to be here, but that's what I'm going to tell you. Tell them.
Absolutely.
You tell them, and I'll leave my phone number. Absolutely. They can call me if they need, and they should turn it on if I have any problems. Okay. I'm hoping I get lucky and
Lucky, you're a professional, man. You get lucky.
Yeah. We're pro, baby. We're pro. Make this connection here. Because we can always shut this off, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Make that connection. No? Alright. Bang. Now, I don't know why this is smashed up. They must have been standing on this phone. Shit. I gotta fix this draft hood, Chuck B. Why it's smashed like this. Right now, Mr. Crackhead ripped out the thread, the relief valve. So now I got to hand cut the brass thread out, which I'm going to let my #1 man CB do. Cut that straight down, and we're going to chisel out that thread. All right, Chuck B.
All right.
And you'll see. Use both hands, pressure, and you'll see when you get. You got to go down here. See that.
Below the white?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't cut too much into the heater, okay? That'd be a no bueno. Alright? Alright, keep them teeth forward. How you doing? You getting down? Oh, that looks good. Hold on, watch this. Hold on, CB. Push the thread down. I might have enough to get a little something going in here. A little something, maybe not yet. You gotta make sure the teeth are forward. I can't see a goddamn thing, but I think you got it. We got this chocolate. How much damage did I do to the thing? A little bit, but guess what? I got a tap. I did a little damage to the thread because I didn't take my time. So we just gotta re-tap this just a little bit. I want like we're doing here. The old handy dandy tap tap. I like that a lot better. Alright. I should be able to get it. Like that better. Alright. We got this easy. This looks good. Whatever you do, don't rush the thread. Because if not, you'll be tapping the heater. Oh no. Chuck P's put in all the drops for the hot water heater relief valves that the guy stole. But we got a little special problem. And we're going to fix that. See how they're all kicked out, tripping hazard. This one over here is into the other hot water heater. We're going to show Chuck P the little godly move we do. It's called the Godly Heat Bend by Chuck B. Sr. The old heat bend, everybody. Let's get rid of this shit here. The old heat bend. We don't want nobody tripping over this, right? Ooh. Chuck B. Oh, sure. That I like, huh? Better? Yep. Still, oh, barely bent. Water up top, you know what I mean? Yeah. So hopefully that's gonna be okay. And this should just bend. Look at that. And you ain't gotta wait. You ain't gotta do it while it's hot. You can wait till it cools down. It takes out the temper. All right. Old school trick. Old school trick. Brett and Xavier and Chuck downstairs. I am. Phil, you're going to get air first out of the tub. Alright, good. So that's going to be, it's filling up the hot water here, so it'll be up shortly, okay? Up here goes the hot water upstairs. Why does this have two tanks? What's that? Hold on. I hear water. Ah. Relief valve was open. The one they didn't steal. Okay. This is the thread I got out of the relief valve that was smashed in the hot water here. It's gold. Alright, you can shut the hot water off now. Okay. And then we'll go up to the third floor. You can turn the toilet. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing, okay? Do it cold first, and then I'm going to start filling the hot water heater. And once I hear the tank fill up, I'll shut it off till you're ready for hot. Okay. Alright? Alright, I'm up here now. Alright, cool. Thank you, man. Okay, we got no leaks. Now we're going to go ahead and light this third heater. see if we can get lucky on this joker too. I'm 2 for 2 on these hot water heaters. Let's see how good we are. All right. Pressing down. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Daddy. This is a little weak. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Be good to Daddy today. Come on. Should I do a little bypass action? I did a bypass action this summer. Oh, there it's staying on. I bypassed the pile to heat up the thermocouple, and behind my head was a, just like this, an air conditioner cooking full bore. So I heat the thermocouple up, still isn't working. I come back out here, I go like this, still ain't working. Oh, let me try it again. Chink, chink. The gas valve opened up because I cheated it. Boom! Right in my face. Operator error. Don't ever do that. No more cheating the thermocouple, plumbers. I couldn't hear the gas because the friggin' air conditioner was cooking. So, I don't cheat no more. I wish I had that on film because that would have been classic. My hair, my face, my eyebrows, my arm. Oh, it was gnarly. Here we go, people. Let's turn it on. Boom! We got hot water. Apartment number 3. Let's go number 2. Oh, this is what's this? This is number 2 also. All right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. And again, we're not going to cheat the thermocouple. I already paid the price doing that shit. Summer 2016. Here we go. We're gassing it up. Trying to light the pot. Apartment number 2. Oh, we got gas. Oh, it stayed on. I didn't cheat the thermocouple. I'm not going to blow my eyebrows off again. That was no bueno. Oh, that was really no bueno. Alright. Boom! Look at that joker. Woo! Woo! Alright. Close the hatch. That joker's really cooking.